I want to nweta this video metụ aka na share button nke tụsa anụmozi ya. Ịma na sometimes position na-ada take n'okwu na-ada agbagwoju ụfọdụ ghara mana inyo ya anya ọfụma fụ ebe nsi abịa. Ịghọtago? If there is one thing mother like, it is you believing that your opinion override nke onye ọzọ, that people must see things the way you see it. People must share the same choices as you. In fact, everything without minding the fact that netua ihu ai si wee di iche etua ka echiche obi ai niile si wee di iche, and that include choice and everything. Now let me say something. A lot of Ndi Igbo now, because mụnwa na onwe m ụkwa another thing mkpọrọ asị, which is I just like him too many talks with no action. You can't continue to be talking. You always want to hold people to ransom, hostage with talking without action. People be this, people be that, people be this, people be that. People be emerged as a presidential aspirant of a political party. Any Igbo man a support was that political party. People be imagining there who an enemy of Ndi Igbo, who an enemy to Ndi Igbo. Sorry. Any Igbo man who identify now with another political party, I want an enemy Ndi Igbo. Now, can you draw that, Jojo? Because when I talk about too many talks without any action, election only since after that Labour Party effect that made a lot of people win election because of P2B and not because of political party. For the name how new people can own politics. Since after that time, how many elections can people win Ndi Igbo because of P2B? Look at the other day, only a House of Assembly member, Ndi Igbo n'Ọnịcha, mecha habuye. E we may re-on that election. P2B we lu Ọnịcha, we wulu mmadụ n'aka n'afa Labour Party, we wunye ya kenu, the man of the Chalodaka Obukwa. Ne councillor and local government election emelumba. The whole people, almost the whole people put on a Labour Party. Hanchanine that just shallow. Poni up menu. Jono mwega jujua, my brother. So, if we cannot identify with the P2B in other elections, do you think that it is all about becoming a president? And isinuno doroma wepo anilo. Only believe na P2B. It means ni ye believe kwa na other places able identify with. Now, Obi Kubana we may coordinator City Boy movement. Bola Ahmed Tinubu. A lot of them mado choka abalaja badwe. Keliforo na abalaja abade. There are a lot of youth who needs to participate in politics. We need rather our active youth to get involved in politics. You don't know? We need our active youth to get involved in politics. And if our practice in Nigeria is multi-party system, not one-party system, for a reason. If you may so that people weigh different opinions, people weigh right to different choices. Or one-party system, go ya, it will not PDP, or ya PDP, it will not APC, or ya APC. And if you with this multi-party system, so that democracy can thrive, can strive, that is the reason you make, so that we can have proper checks and balances. People weigh their right and their choice to identify with any political party of their choice. It does not matter then after that political party or neither affair. So Obi Kubana has purely choosing his own, and he is actively involved. So you can also choose the one be identify with and be actively involved. Some of us say for election, If onye sere, if onye kwetaru no ye jeturu APC, na aba. Ngo na kwetaru ni ye jetu na party Peter Obi no na ijetu akwụkwọ inwe voters card. All these things are practicals, actions I'm talking about. I'm not talking we fight too many ogo that ends no without actions. Yes, Peter Obi might be my candidate, but Oyawu to another person with reasons, and you cannot force that person. Ni wuli no yeso ile Peter Obi. Amandanka yagba krekere nante because agwagomun. The area we continue to reason with our senses and not emotion, and that's why mkwoku na page nte say ezugo how if I can jimalo echiri na ekwukwa m ọzọ onye nke ha sịrị m ezugo na iwu baba asịkwa ha na ezugo ekwetakwa m. Yes, that is because I like saying things the way they are without polishing it to suit your ego, your emotions. No, I say it the way they are. True to eziokwu we feel it. Obi Kubana has just gotten active, involved. He's not actively involved in a cause we believe in. You can do so. You can do so. You have seen how much involvement you can also get yourself involved, either from world level, state level, local government, or anywhere. You get involved. You contribute your quota into making sure that that P2B agenda strive. But I'm telling you, I don't believe I for reason patalo. No one and Ndi Igbo feel that we are speaking in unity. I for reason patalo a candidate P2B identify with the GFL election. That is to show you that now it is not entirely left for one political party to decide, and it's not entirely left for one person to decide. With reason, because now all in our practice will one party system. P2B may never be president or governor in this life. So don't see things the way it favors you. See things the way it favors all of us. You know, even una does name onye Igbo support onye Hausa na election ma onye Igbo support another candidate to do different from nke believe no nya be widely accepted by you or many people. Una ebido badova ya aja. Obi Kubana a commit bro any crime, and he has not committed any crime. Only choice. Because half of video mail, I intentionally did not want to call his name. Can we make video? He will not from Ratel point or from any point, so that you can understand that this is how I see things. If I am a practice with Democrat, but I understanding that human being by nature, some of us will president here, will president to Abola Ahmed Tinubu, because you dare not question them. You dare not question them by nature. I am onyami by nature, because look at because now somebody I like you only like it or commit to go a crime or deserve bring you down account or deserve everything we forge. So also because no like you only like it because no choice so entirely choice here and right you owe anybody any explanation. Imagine what will happen if some of us ban at that corridors of power, wage the power to make pronouncement. So, as some extent, if I hear a demand from our leaders, you don't even have it. If you cannot allow Obi Kubana to participate the way he wants to, his choice, entirely his choice, not yours. That day, Obi Kubana will only one vote. Or who know power to go and lobby people to pay to vote for APC. Get yourself involved in that political party, either PDP, either P2B. Go and register now that political party now. Start engaging. Start using your platform. Yes, Obi Kubana name. Start using your platform. Do something practical for that cause you believe in. Operesa siopi don't na nuno. Onwezi onye ifunu na emelo onwe ifo na emelo onwe inwewe problem. Ohoku ife niile anate yo ono. Go city boy movement Obi Kubana identify fully there happen here. He has not committed any crime. He's not a sabo. Political participation is left for everybody, and we have choices. That is why the system I now practice multi-party system. Mean na different political parties. People can belong to any political party. You go so that that's no choices. And that is why you win election and not selection. Our selection. And when you can see, okay, majority, Peter Obi. But this is election where people will have the right to come and vote quietly and secretly any candidate of their choice. Even a that's your choice. It's your choice and not be protected. So let us stop all this. You always trying to use what you believe in. You will a chance to see another person. If you want to support people, start getting involved and active. If you have a platform, use your platform. Whatever thing you will use, participate in both your world level, state level, local government level. Be practical, not just by ide kunon. Obi kubane get go way practical into Ivaneme. Yeah? And this is choice. Omejo kudu Ndi Igbo. Omejo Ndi Igbo. Yeah? I don't know what Bolame the Tinubu means to you, but to so many others, Omi means something do good. To so many others, Omi means something do good. Your way of defining good governance will do different from another person's own. Yes, for example, during the time of Goodluck Jonathan whooped fuel subsidy. The same people, they recruited you and me against him. Not to me, because the same thing can happen then. Ndị niile do against Jonathan etu ka mụ na ha si anụ eje onye ọnwụ na ịma etu ka mụ na ha si anụ anyị ebido n'ụtụtụ make the argument chejie ahụ n'ihu you can hardly manipulate me emotionally. It's difficult for you to do that. Maybe niile ebe akwa niile eti mkpu na-egbu egwu osika so I manipulate him na manipulate you and so many others who hate Jonathan today. The same people, a wopuna, fuel subsidy out, Jonathan as. So what it means is that then Jonathan actually did if the right. So the way is a major good governance may not actually be the actual real measurement, because many of us now if I need you. In the detriment of if I need it. Disregarding the actual one own necessities. Yeah? So you people should leave Obi Kubana alone. If you want to support people, get involved. I don't just like too much talking when you don't have action or working. I don't just like it. Now watching my video, you may not like it, you may like it. But at the end of the day, I've just spoken what is in my mind. Ezugo.